Remember, the link for upcoming workshops and courses is in the video description and first comment. Hi, I'm Rocio Santibanez, a Yuen method instructor. Here's a strengthening technique to reduce fever. Keep in mind that fever is a positive immune system response. For low-grade fevers, it's best to let them run their course to help fight infections. Studies show fever boosts immune response, increases white blood cell activity, stimulates interferon production, activates T cells indirectly, and lowers plasma iron. In simpler terms, fever is an ally of the immune system. Fever is a friend to your immune system. In other words, letting kids have fevers up to 38 degrees Celsius, 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit, strengthens their immune system, preventing growth of some temperature-sensitive viruses and bacteria. To temperature changes, replicate. Let's start by removing thoughts of your cells, atoms, molecules, quantum particles, tissues, organs, systems, and structures. We'll clear your mind if you're ill and the minds of those worried about the sick person needing to reduce fever. We'll remove this mind, yours or not, theirs or not, and send it to other universes, existences, dimensions, time and space, dark matter and energy, black holes and wormholes in the universe, and other unknown places. We'll erase the mind's accumulated effect of thinking about this and other illnesses, symptoms, and discomforts. We'll remove misinformation and misperceptions that fever is dangerous, that seizures might occur, that it's a severe symptom of illness, that it must be forcibly lowered even if it rises, as experts claim ancestors, collective family, education, religion, and oneself. We erase this misinformation, perception, and interpretation with its cumulative effect to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. We'll eliminate neurological confusion, adjust body temperature to optimal levels, and improve the distribution, use, and transport of essential elements in the body, including water, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon, growth hormones, vitamins, minerals, enzymes, amino acids, and fatty acids. Will boost growth hormone production, strengthen and improve communication between all body systems, organs, and nerve endings to the central nervous system and midline. We do this at 100% potential infinitely and erase all weaknesses to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time, infinitely. Let's break down the symptoms that come with fever: pain, confusion, fear, fatigue, sleepiness, weakness, worry, and irritability. We'll isolate the weaknesses of each symptom and erase them completely for all time. Will balance and stabilize them all, erasing the cumulative effect of past experiences with these symptoms. We'll clear this from this life, past lives, ancestors, and descendants too, erasing completely for all time. We'll erase memories of dying from infections or from poor treatments, medicines, and diagnoses. Erasing completely for all time. We'll be strong and neutral about the fever, rising, falling, or staying the same. We'll also be strong and neutral about its speed, fast, slow, or steady. We'll strengthen all aspects of these patterns to their fullest potential for all time. We'll eliminate all toxins, including those from staph infections. We remove cellular waste, dead cells and tissues, organs, mismatched and confused cells, altered chromosomes, damaged DNA, cells with polarity loss, aged cells, misfolded proteins, and encapsulated cells, tissues, and fluids. We clear encapsulation, infiltrated spaces, exudates, undigested food, heavy metals, excess calcification and mineralization, dead parasites, their waste, and cell-invading parasites. We eliminate radiation, asbestos, arsenic, benzene, beryllium, cadmium, chromium, nickel, and radon. We remove toxic food dyes and preservatives, embryo remains, and free radicals. We increase alkaline pH, negative ions, and negative electromagnetic field. We eliminate acidic pH, positive ions, and positive electromagnetic field. We erase all this at 100% infinite potential all the time, forever. We eliminate all weaknesses to 0 minus infinity permanently. Let's remove resistance to improvement and resistance to being free from pain and discomfort. We clear this resistance to 0 minus infinity permanently and infinitely. We'll eliminate the cumulative effect of every single time you've had a fever. Will also erase the impact of every time you've seen others suffer from fever. To 0 minus infinity, permanently and infinitely. Will boost strength, endurance, speed, agility, flexibility, and coordination in atoms, cells, molecules, and quantum particles to 100% infinite potential forever. Will enhance feeling, perception, and intuition. Let's remove the resistance and fear of feeling, fear of pain, and fear of discomfort. We'll clear this resistance to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time, infinitely. We'll strengthen the midline, integrate, tense, and relax it, programming it to tense and relax continuously at 100% infinite potential all the time. Reset, recalibrate, and reprogram body, mind, and spirit. Will make you strong against everything that affects, upsets, angers, worries, or bothers you. Will erase the buildup of these emotions and strengthen you against them at 100% infinite potential all the time. Will separate emotions, sensations, and reactions, erase weaknesses and their combinations to 0 minus infinity, and balance them to be centered and stable. Let's eliminate fears, fear of complications, fear of more pain, and fear of dying. We'll remove anxiety, despair, boredom, and rejection. Erase it all to 0, 100% of the time, infinitely. Reset, recalibrate, and reprogram body, mind, and spirit. Will strengthen exit points, chin, armpits, plexus, sacrum, colon, tailbone, genitals, palms, fingers, and toes. We strengthen them to tense and relax, draining all energy at 100% infinite potential all the time, infinitely. Let's strengthen the lymphatic system, channels, ducts, centers, nodes, and fluids. We make them strong at 100% infinite potential all the time, infinitely. Reset, recalibrate, and reprogram body, mind, and spirit. All right, tell me, how do you feel? The same or different? Thank you.